So now let's create the register page. For that, I will design the front end using the ChatGPT because it will be fast. So I am going to ChatGPT to create a register page. So I will call make registration page with email, name and password field. Create a responsive registration page with field in ReactJS with CSS. So it will make our things a little easy and fast. So we are using it. So copy this component, and yeah, we have copied this, and go to the register and replace it. And as we have the register page, so rename it register, and here register, and also we have to add this CSS. So let's add this. So in app.css we will add this CSS. So yeah, Control S, and let's see if it is working. So we have got the registration.css. So let's see what the error is. Registration dot, yeah, so remove it and let's see if it is working. So go to the register page, and yeah, it is working. So now we need to create a registration thing from Appwrite. So for that I am going to create this thing. So let's go. So let's create a function called register. So const register, and it will be a asynchronous function because we have to deal with a lot of promises in this thing. Since we are making an account, so we have to call the account object. So let's import that, import account. And now we have a method called account.create. So let's call it account.create. And now you can see we have got that it will take a user ID, email and a password. So let's see. So for user ID we will call it unique, and for email we can just pass the email field, and same for password and same for name. And let's store it into a variable called x, and since it is a promise, so we have to await this. So await this, and let's put it into a try catch block so that we can handle the errors. Try catch error console.log error. So yeah, so we have got this thing, we have created the register function, but before this we must do some handling, form validation. So for that let's call if any of the field like name, email or password is empty. So if any of the field is empty, then we will not call the register function. So let's check if name equal null, or email equal null, or password equal, then do nothing, or we can alert that please enter correct credentials, correct thing, please enter correct details, and else we can call the register method. So yeah, so we get console.log the x, and now let's see if it is working. So Control S, and now let's see. So let's call it my name Pranjal, and it is auto-filled. So let's click on the register. So yeah, you are getting the ID and the thing, so it is working. Now I can go to my console and see if it is if the user is created or not. So let's go to the auth, and yeah, you can see that a new user named Pranjal is created.